Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Umi Khairia. I would like to explain about a content analysis of English language textbook when English rings the bell for 8th grade of junior high school based on 2013 curriculum. According to Chang 2006, English is a major foreign language in the educational curriculum and foreign language learning. English as an international language is the most important second language in the world. International business, trade, and travel, a term used to characterize the status of English as the most widely used language in communication. Next, Buckingham Intelligence state textbooks is a learning media which is used in school and college to support a teaching program. According to Tarigan and Tarigan, textbooks is a lesson book in specific field of study, which is a standard book written by the expert in that field according to the instructional purpose, completed by suitable teaching media, which is easy to understand by the user in school or college. Staple state that finds out that textbook is all book used in the teaching and learning process, including working book, modules, and reference. Next, textbook analysis is one process of textbook evaluation. According to Hutchinson and Waters in Cheng, Hang, and Chich, textbooks evaluation is basically a straightforward analytical matching process. Matching needs to available solution. As stated by Wahab, there are several reasons to evaluating textbook. One major reason is the need to adopt new course book. Another reason is to identify particular strengths and weakness in textbook already in use. So the results are summarized in the relevance of material in two categories, cognitive and psychomotor area. Relationship between materials and cognitive areas in the English student book when English rings the bell for 8th grade junior high school. The first of the results of material based on basic skill with reference to the cognitive taxonomy of Anderson and Kiaswell. The analysis was done. Cognitive level analysis has been categorized. Some activities or instruction did not use the original action verb mentioned in Anderson and Kiaswell. This is also roughly. Therefore, for behavioral verbs given in theory, researchers need to find similar meaning to textbook activity and instruction. 3 of the 2013 curriculum categorized textbook material by basic abilities, determine their relevance to the cognitive domain of learning, and then use checklist tools where researchers used textbook. Next. There are 3 links between the material and basic skill or abilities. Researchers used the percentage of cognitive domain relevance in textbook according to the 2013 curriculum standard. A total of 31 materials were included in the cognitive domain. First, there are 23 related products, or about 19%. Second, 7 sorts are partially related, about 58%. And third, only 1, or about 22%, is unrelated to the cognitive domain. From this percentage, researchers conclude that about 74 and 90% of the material that is relevant to the cognitive domain and can cover the purpose of the subject, language traits, and social function of the ideal material that the student achieve. I attach it textbook. The relevance of the textbook material for basic skill. After analyzing the data, the researchers create data analysis percent form. Researchers use the percentage of textbook relevance in the psychomotor area according to 2013 curriculum content standards. 31 material were included in the psychomotor area initially. 10 or about 25% of related material is available. On the other hand, 10 or about 32 and 25% of the material is also partially relevant. Finally, 11 sources are unrelated to the psychomotor area, about 35 and 48%. When English rings a bell textbook use only about 32 and 25% of the resource applicable to the psychomotor category, and students use their psychomotor skill to use their imagination to create what they need to do, run and comply with the curriculum. Researchers performed data analysis by assessing levels from each area, especially cognitive and psychomotor. The researchers focused on action verbs that represent the level of each domain. The results show that the most commonly found level in textbook is the level of memory. And then the conclusion. Researchers conclude that textbooks cover only about 30 to 25% of the material applicable to the psychomotor area. Its function may guide students to use their psychomotor skill with their imagination to build something that for students, and students should achieve according to the curriculum. And the suggestion. After completing the study, the researchers received some suggestions for the author of the book, the user of the book, the government, and other researchers. In terms of both cognition and psychomotor, the author of the book developed and improved the material written in the book so that the material in the books is about 74 and 19% related to the Anderson and Klaswall 2001 is needed. 3 of the English curriculum and the importance of approximately 32 and 25% of the ability or skill of the Simpson domain for psychomotor classification of the English curriculum. Researchers are also encouraged by user of the book to revert to this book for other material that the material may meet. Researchers also suggest that user of books that use this book as a primary of a learning research to fully understand its content need to have a complementary source of knowledge. Governments also need to provide teachers and students with appropriate resources to understand and evaluate the school's teaching and learning process. Okay, thank you very much. And as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.